What's up, guys? Welcome to Mavericks AI Tech Tube. So today we're going to talk about a very cool AI tool. Now, this AI tool, you can actually use it to generate entire sets or virtual worlds, like a 360-degree um, world. So it all depends on what you type into your text. Then it generates this whole scene, and you can actually use it in any of your major projects, like you're trying to create a scene in Unreal Engine, Unity, or you just want to use it for you can even print it out as your background, make it a wall frame, use it in your art projects, your animations, and so on and so forth. You know, so there's just a wide range of use case for this um, tool. So now what I have to show you how it's being used. So what we'll do is we're going to try and get access. So you try Skybox. So okay, so I'm already in because I've already signed up. So you might actually need to sign up. You can get started. So so this is basically the interface. This is what it looks like. So what you need to notice is that this toggles this elements by the side. So there's one more element here, but it's not showing right now because we've not created anything yet. So you can easily just turn around, see what your scene looks like. Okay. So this was already pre-generated. So now let's take a look at what this does. So this gives you a very slight animation and it keeps moving gradually. Okay. So let's turn that off. So what other tools do we have here? We have this is where you type in your text. Okay. So there's this new feature they added where you can actually draw what you want. So anything I draw on this set, so you have to actually have that imaginative mindset where you can imagine what you're trying to draw and it will generate it. But we won't be making use of this. Let's just navigate through the tools and see what it does. So this is for moving around the scene. So this toggles everything off. Can you see? So coming down here, this is like the brush for drawing, and this is for erasing what you have drawn, and this is for moving around. This is for increasing the brush size. So I literally don't know what this does. Okay, so this clears all the brush strokes you might have made, and this is to undo, redo, and this is for seeing different kinds of planes. So if you want to see the plane as a box plane, this enables you be able to draw precisely. Let's say you're trying to draw a bedroom. You basically know where the four corners are with this, but without it, it's just that way. With this, you can't even know what you are drawing. So when you can also use this, this is just showing you the picture. You can add this to it or add this. Okay. Or you can just use this. This is like the plane. So you just want to see what the plane looks like. You can add the box to the plane, have a better view. Or you can remove the box and add the sphere. Okay, so it all depends on what your imagination tells you to do. So let's just leave the box for now. So what else do we have to take a look at? So when you are done, you can download with this. You can share this whole art you've designed. Whatever it is you design, let's say this is what you've designed. You can easily just share it. For now, they are disabled because we have not created anything yet. So you can add, you can remix whatever you've done, and so on and so forth. And here is where you select the styles of what you want your artwork to look like. What else? So I think that's just about that. This is their social media handles. Join their Discord, TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter. So let's get going with the new stuff. So I have a document with 100 prompts already, which I wrote myself, which I'm going to give away part of it, but it's actually for a little bit of, I'm selling it for a little bit of, for it's at a giveaway price. But then I'm going to give you a few for free so you can try out what I'm going to show you right now.